Making a Chef is brought to you by Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Mississippi and Methodist Senior Services.
After that awesome experience, I think I've had enough fire for today. So it's time to cool down with some homemade ice cream. Hopefully this won't bring Chief Yarbrough back to the kitchen. So it starts off with heavy cream, which is cold, in a frozen bowl with a frozen whisk, all right? So this has been in the freezer for about 20 minutes and it's nice and cold. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and add as much of that in there. We have about a tablespoon or so of vanilla. We're just gonna put that down, lock it in place. We're gonna whisk it on high for about 3 to 4 minutes until medium peaks form. All right, that looks about where we want it. Stick your whisk in there, mix it around, pull it straight up. It stands like that, stiff. Taste it. That's good whipped cream. Which, is there a such thing as bad whipped cream? I want to start on the ice cream base. It starts off with a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. So we're just gonna put all that in. Chilled bowl, again, the colder all your tools are, the better the ice cream will freeze up. Since we're not using a conventional method, like mixing it with the ice cream machine, we have to get it as cold as we can now. Rest the whole milk. Save about a 1/4 cup or so. You don't want it too thin where it won't freeze up well, but you don't want it too thick. Mix it up a little bit. Add 1 shot of espresso. Now this is warm, it's about lukewarm now, so that's one of the bad things, that you always want that freezing cold, but needs a pinch of salt because it's weird, I know, salt in desserts, but salt just enhances flavor. This is like half a cup of cocoa powder, so I'm gonna only add about half of that right now and see how much I like it. If I want it more chocolatey, then I add more chocolate. If I want it less chocolatey, then out with some milk. That'll be good for right now. Whisk to combine. All right, time to try it. That's really good. But you know, the great thing about this ice cream base is you can really customize it. Just start off with a sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, the salt, and then the whipping cream, and just customize it. So what we're gonna do is slowly incorporate this into this without deflating the air. So what I like to do is I like to add a 1/4 of it, maybe a 1/6 of it into here and just mix it up, just to kind of make the mixture more homogeneous. All right, now go ahead and add about half of it right in there. You just want to fold it in. So what I like to do is go down, pick it up, flip it over, pull it through. What normal ice cream machines do is they slowly freeze the mixer while incorporating air. While we're not doing that, we're trying to keep as much air in there from the whipped cream and freeze it as quick as we can to make a good, beautiful, textured ice cream. All right, that looks well incorporated. So now it's time to try it again. That's good ice cream. Now, I'm just gonna put it in the freezer. Let it freeze 6 hours to overnight to get a nice scoopable ice cream, or about 3 to 4 for a soft serve. I've had the ice cream in the freezer overnight and now it's settled up. And it is a really good texture if I do say so myself. That's a good bite. That's an easy way to beat the heat over the summer or to cool yourself down after the kitchen getting too hot. Hey y'all, I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the little notification bell right by the subscribe button. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time.